Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I am back with entry number 2. And this entry is from a very special lady who I am so blessed to call friend, and that is Miss Jeannie Dreemer. Hey Jeannie! She has entered my challenge, and I got your package today, Jeannie, so I'm very excited. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I have cut the end, but I haven't peeked, so I don't know what's in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, whoops. Oh, there's some really cool stamps on here. Let me cover up the addresses, but you can see the stamps. Look at these cool stamps on here. Those are cool, thank you. All right, let's see what's here. I think there's, oh my gosh. Sharing a few of my handmade flowers I made. The bag will hold them too. It was a close fist. LOL, Jeannie. She always makes me smile, Miss Jeannie. Look at this bag she made. It's beautiful. And I think she knows my favorite color, too. And look at this. I love her. She's so adorable. And she's colored it, and she's got stickles on it. I love it. She's so cute. Just like you, Jeannie. Super cute. I love this. I love the flower. I love this applique here. She's got pearls on it and this beautiful trim. And I love this fabric. Love it. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I love handmade flowers. Oh my gosh, I love, love, love them. Oh my gosh, look at these, you guys. Look how pretty. Aw, and look at the little clothespin. Oh, Jeannie, that is so pretty. I have a project I'm working on right now that I might be using these on. Look at how pretty. And they're in shabby pink. Love it. Oh, they're gorgeous. I think I might have to take those out though and just have a closer look. Made by Jeannie Dreemer. Love that. Look how pretty. Oh, it's like almost like a satin. It's really soft. Look at that beautiful bling center right there. Beautiful dimension. And she's got a gorgeous doily on the back and some fiber, some eyelash trim. Oh, I love it, Jeannie. It's beautiful. I love it. Love it. Oh, and let's look at these ones. Look at these little clothespins, you guys. They're adorable. Super cute. Okay, I can't hold them straight, but there we go. Look how cute they are. I love little clothespins. And this one has two little guys, and it looks like she did the burned edges one here, right here, and then she's done like a gather. Oh, you did that with the button. See, I have not made any of those where you put the button in there and gather it. I have not done that. Now I have one to look at. I can try it. So thank you for that, my friend. These are beautiful. Gorgeous. Now I have Jeannie Dreemer flowers. Yay! Thank you, Jeannie. Okay, let's see. I think this is the pockets, but look at this envelope here. This is like a beautiful envelope that I might be able to repurpose for something. I could probably use that in one of my junk journals. Let's see what's in here. Okay. And I think there's a card in here too. There is. There is a card. Let's see. Oh my gosh. And she made the card. Look, you guys. Look how beautiful that is. Now, you've embossed this, I assume, with an embossing folder, and then you've painted it, I think. Isn't that clever? Look at that. I've never done something like that and painted on the embossing. That's a good idea. I love your little tags. I love that. Let me see what's in here, what Miss Jeannie has to say. Oh, yes, it did. Aww. Aww. Your card is gorgeous. I love it. I absolutely love it. I love everything you make. And I'm going to put that on my shelf right beside where I have your little, well, near where I have your wall hanging that you sent me a while ago. So thank you. And here are her beautiful, beautiful pockets. Now, I did see her video, and I absolutely loved her pockets when I saw them. This is the first one that she showed. And it's got this pocket here on an angle, or the top of the pocket is on an angle, and I love it. And I love the colors that you've used here too. You can see this gorgeous fabric. Now, Jeannie is a seamstress, so, you know, everything is sewn just beautifully here. It's gorgeous. I love how you did that. I love the trim on the bottom, and look at this delicate little trim here, and she's made a flower. Beautiful pearls. And look, handmade with love. Aw, I love it. I love it. Oh, I think there's something inside. If friends were flowers, I'd pick you. Aw. Well, I feel the same way, my friend. I feel the same way. Aw. Oh, that really touches my heart. Thank you. Thank you for that, Jeannie. I love that. I'm going to keep that in there. I love it. It's so pretty. I love how you've offset the corner here. I think that's really cool. Beautiful heart there too, flat back heart. So there's her first pocket. And don't forget, I will have the link to Jeannie's channel down below as well. So here is her second pocket, and this is her mixed media pocket, and I love it. She has used some beautiful lavender paper, and it looks like she's put some gesso on the back, and then she's printed this off. Now, I believe she said that her color was off on her printer, but I love it how this came out. I think it looks fantastic. I love the colors. I love the blue and the purple, the doily that's on there, and it's got trim. I love it. I love this periwinkle color here with the blue and purple. That's one of my favorite colors. So that is beautiful. So sometimes when we have mistakes like that, they turn out to be something really quite wonderful. So happy accidents. But it's gorgeous. And I love how you've put the trim here. And this says, how I afford craft supplies on a budget. Well, girl, yes, it is. On a budget is right. And she's got a beautiful image here of butterflies. And then a beautiful Victorian chair with butterflies here. A little bow, buttons here, and some ruffle trim with one of my favorite trims right here, these little flowers. And I recognize that. It looks fantastic on there, Jeannie. I'm glad you were able to use it. And she's got some trim here, and she's got a little paper clip, which will be great for using in a journal. So that's, and there's a little something peeking out here. What could it be? What could it be? What could it be? Let's see. Oh, I think it's stuck. There we go. I love it. I love it. You know, Jeannie always makes me smile, and you're doing it. You're not even here and you're doing it. So you got magic, girl. You do. I love it. Oh, I absolutely love that. That's fantastic. And here is the inside of this beautiful envelope. She's got little flowers and more butterflies and little pieces of trim here. It's just beautiful. And it's, oh, it's an envelope. Okay, cool. Now see, that's clever to reuse an envelope like that. And it's nice and deep, so I can put that in a journal and put some goodies in it, or yeah, store something in it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Jeannie. I love it. And then this one, she said she wasn't sure of, but I love it. I absolutely adore it. I love the color. It's a little bright, but I like this about it. I love these colors together. I love the fabric. Look at this beautiful fabric. And she's sewn all around that again. Just beautiful with these gorgeous roses here and this beautiful trim. And look at this stick pin. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Isn't it pretty? Oh, I love the colors. I absolutely love it. And she's got her name on the inside here. It says Jeannie Dreemer, all finished off beautifully. And it says made with love there. And I love that you used a little piece of fabric and put your name on it. I love it. Absolutely wonderful. Wonderful. I love the colors you've chosen for your pockets. I think it's amazing. I love this little happiness that you put inside this one. Look at how beautiful everything is, you guys. So please go over and subscribe to my dear friend, Miss Jeannie Dreemer. You will find the link in the description box below. I love this card. I love everything you sent. But most of all, I love our friendship. So thank you for being the wonderful person you are. And thank you for entering my challenge. And I will be back with the next entry very soon. So please go over and sub to Miss Jeannie Dreemer. And you can see how she does all this beautiful stuff. And she shares her love and happiness of crafting on her channel. So please go over and subscribe to her. Thank you, Jeannie. Mwah! I will be back with another video soon, guys. Take care. Bye for now.